Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how to remove password from Anydesk. So, let's start. At first, open your Anydesk application. Now, go to the Settings options from the main menu. Go to Access options. Click and unlock Access options. Here we can see all security settings options including set and removing passwords. Friends, now I will set a password for unwanted access, and after that, I remove this password. Password setup is done for unwanted access profiles. To remove your password, click on Remove Password. Now, select Profile, and click Remove. Yes, to confirm delete password. Anydesk password was removed successfully. Friends, now I will set a password in another profile, and again remove this. Please stay with us. Select Profile, and click on Apply. Anydesk password setup done, now remove this. Click Yes to remove. Password removed successfully. If you have any queries about Anydesk, please type me in the comment box. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.